Attorney, you've been called crazy by some sectors.
Not I'm too bright for them. That's why they say I'm crazy.
Palagi nyo, ba't di kayo pinaupo?
Kasi galit sila sa akin kasi sa rally, di ba, ni Lenny, maakyat ako iniimbita ako ng mga bata Sinasabi ko na si Adik yan si BBM. Oh, how can he make good decisions? I'm right. I am right. Oh, all this is happening to our country now proves that my prediction was right.
But then we see the impeachment complaint and the congressmen have said there is no proof that the president is an addict in any way.
They said that it's insufficient in substance. It's sufficient in form, but not sufficient in substance, and therefore they will not send it to the plenary. But that's wrong, because they should send it to the plenary. That's in the rules. Let the plenary decide if it's insufficient in substance. But of course, BBM is majority there. Sandro is the majority leader. Wala naman talaga siyang hiya. Bakit siya nagma-majority leader pa? Dapat kung magaling siya talaga, dapat nag-resign siya as majority leader para maniwala tayo. Yan lang naman payo ko sa kanya
Ano ang masasabi ninyo doon sa House Committee on Justice? How they
si
handled?
Si Luistro pa ang chair. Isa pa yan. Dapat mag-resign yan Grabe yan si Luistro. Grabe yan, pro-Martin, pro-BBM. May AX, TAX dahil sa speaker. May ganito bilyon dahil sa speaker. Kulang lang sabihin, may ulan, may lindol, may baha dahil sa speaker This is the same Congresswoman Luistro who admitted that she hid her husband who was accused of rape.
Talaga bang tinago niyo yung asawa niyo?
Yes.
Pero ma'am, baka kasuhan kayo ni Congresswoman Luistro of slander right now or libel, destroying her reputation.
Congresswoman Luistro! Make my day.
Balikan natin ngayon ang impeachment complaint.
Dami lang naman yun. That's a dummy complaint. Yung sabi nga ni Congressman Erice, that lawyer is the lawyer of Lisa Marcos against Glenn Chong. Paano kami maniniwala dyan? They just did that para mabar yung any other complaint. Nag-file pa rin ng Makabayan. Yan naman ang gusto ko sa Makabayan, consistent. BBM resign, Sara resign. Etong si Risa Ontiveros ng Akbayan Dati, never again. Ngayon, why not? Manirinig mo ba siya? Nagsasabi ng BBM resign. Kabayan is consistent. Diyan ang mga kasama ko noon sa UP. Mga kabatch ko yan si Lisa Wasa. Consistent yan. Di ba? Akbayan gusto nila, Sara i-impeach, saka na lang daw labanan si BBM. What kind of thinking is that? Anong klaseng strategy yan? I think ang gusto talaga nila mayari is BBM gang will support her either as vice president, di ba? Pero dreaming na yan na tatakbo sa president dahil hindi tatakbo ang BBM gang. Mas guwapo naman si John Vic Remulla kaysa kay Lamas. Tatakbo yun. Sabi mo ma'am, bardagulan. Sa first 3 years nila, ang plano nila is kaukaw ng kaukaw. Nakaw todo-todo. And they use the budget. That's why yung yan mortal sin nila to our democracy is that they used Congress to loot our taxes. Mortal sin yan. At ngayon, hindi nakukulong. Walang nakukulong. Si Revilla nakulong. Ano ba yan? Palit ulo? Hindi. 2 years to go. Dapat ipakulong ni BBM si Romualdez para tumahimik ako. At tumahimik yung mga tao who are supporting me. Bakit si Saldico ang binabanatan nyo? Sinasabi na ni Saldico na ang mastermind si Martin Romualdez na nag-atid siya ng pera doon at kay Bongbong. Pinalayas nila kasi, ayaw nilang magtestigo. Ngayon, gusto na magtestigo, ayaw naman nilang pabalikin. Kunyari lang yun. Bakit si Senate Torpeng Lacson sa Blue Ribbon in-invite si mag-testify by Zoom, si Saldico? Nung lumabas na sa ibang network yung part 1, part 2, part 3 ni Saldico, ayaw na ipatestify doon by Zoom. Ano ba talaga, Senator, ang rules dyan sa Blue Ribbon Committee? Dapat what is good for the goose is good for the gander. Di ba? Ganun lagi yung mga Inglesero. Bakit naman ganun? Dapat pinatestify nyo na. Kasi kung pinatestify nyo yun, di part of the records na yun ng Senado, ang sasabihin niya na naghatid siya ng pera sa kay Romualdez at sa bahay ni Bongbong at sa Malacanang. ang sinasabi mo, whistleblower si Bongbong, that's not true. He admitted there was a U.S. State Department report saying that the corruption in the DPWH is massive. That's why he did that. At saka, yun na nga ang analysis ko, na 3 years, come, and then on the 4th year, look like a hero. Oh, hero ba siya?
So,
That was fun.
so why did you finally choose to come out?
No, I did not plan it. But these twins, you see them, they're really fun. I just felt so at ease na, it was natural for me to say. So when I was in the dorm, and I went home, and my mother asked, "Why are you home? It's not break." She sat beside me on my bed, and I said, "A girl kissed me, and I kissed her back." And I thought, I was guilty, right? And my mother did like this lang on my forehead and said, "You'll be fine tomorrow." That removed my anxiety and my guilt. And with just one gesture on my forehead, I felt my mother's love. And I draw strength from that.
Are you happy you came out?
Yeah. And I told my partner that you better watch BGMN because I came out. And she laughed.
You've had a partner for 10 years? Is that correct?
No, I have a partner just for a few years. And it was love at first sight.
Okay.